Jam Club!
Really strong fish taste, and I taste sugar and I taste salt. I think parents will say, oh, this will make you a big boy, so I'll eat it and I hope I become a big boy. Fuck. This one goes into the trash as soon as I find a trash can. Today I have to cross the shipping route of the ferries. And I'm not nervous about that at all. I planned it really carefully, I think. So I spotted the island where I can wait and check the AIS signal of the ferries and then go for it or wait. The wind is still light now, but later in the day it's going to be wind force 4, gusting 5, 6. So I want to be out of there before the wind really starts blowing. I'm doing 5 knots. I'm still as nervous as when I started, but also I feel some confident that I can do this, and also that I can change the plan if it's no good. There's a few islands I can tuck into, and even if I would do this in the wind force 5 as forecast with the double reef, I can sail to one of the big islands that are here. Yeah, the shop over there is opening at 11, so that's in 3 hours. I thought about getting a morning coffee there, but the wind is perfect to do this. It's a wind force 3, I think. I'm doing 5 knots. It's nice and fast. Oh, and this would be a really good place to stay as well. But I'll worry a little bit about this wave, not too much, and then I'll reef here, get the boat really in top shape. Well, it is. I'm doing it. I'm on my way. I'm seeing the things that I checked on the sea charts. Nothing inside. Nothing inside. Nothing inside. Those ships there, they look menacing. And the one that just passed, it already did 18 knots. Yeah! But there is another danger there. I want to go upwind a bit. Oh, that was good. That went exactly as planned. So there's the shallows, there's a lighthouse. Yes! Oh yes! Well, if one passes me now, I'll get a hell of a wave. This was what I had in mind for the oasis. Big crossing done. In time for the wind. The water looks very dark. The wind is still hard. It's gonna be more, but all good. And the next stop is shopping. It turns out to be quite difficult to find good shops that are close to the water. So, how happy can you be to find a shop? After the last shop I bought stuff, and then I left it at the post office. I was sending parcel and I forgot about my shopping. Fully stocked up again, heavy boat, tummy full. I think I'll go for a few more hours. Yeah. And then we'll see. This was Väddö. And it's still windy. I think it's indeed a wind force 5. But downwind with the double reef, it should be okay.
How a supermarket can make you happy. Pizza, coffee and a supermarket. And today is good. So the wolf has landed. I asked several people if it was okay to pitch a tent here, and I think they didn't even understand the question. I said, yeah, it's allemansretten. For one night it's okay. Wash my hair and I feel welcome here, so, or not unwelcome, so they don't, it's allemansretten, so it's just normal, I guess.